Hello students, welcome to Vision Pharmacy. In this video, we are going to see some important MCQ from pharmaceutical jurisprudence. So before we start with our today's video, I'd like to request one and all to please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon for updates on upcoming videos. Let's begin. The first question, that is, as per Supreme Court, the Drug and Cosmetic Act has status of. Option number 1 is moral, option number 2 ethical, option number 3 social and option number 4 life saving. So you can take 5 seconds to think and then you can answer your question. Okay, the correct answer of this question is Supreme Court has status Drug and Cosmetic Act as life saving. Next question. Analysis and test of samples of vaccine are carried out at. So you have studied this in Drug and Cosmetic Act. So your options are, first one, Central Drug Research Laboratory, Lucknow. Then Central Indian Pharmacopoeia Laboratory, Ghaziabad. Option number C is Central Research Institute, Kasauli. And option number 4 is none of the above. So you can take again 5 seconds to think over it and then you can find the correct answer. So the correct answer of this question is Central Research Institute, Kasauli. Moving to next question. So question number 3. As per Schedule M, the permitted limit for solid content in water for injection is dash ppm. ppm, that is parts per million. So options are 0.1, option B 1, option C 10 and option D, that is 100. The correct answer for this is, take your time to think, option number C, that is 10 parts per million. Next question, question number 4. Which of the following is not a member of PCI? Your options are A, the Drug Controller of India, B, the Director General of Health Service, option number C, the Director of Central Research Institute, and option D, the Director of Central Drugs Laboratory. You can take time to think. You can also pause the video. The correct answer for this question is the Director of Central Research Institute. Rest all three are ex officio members of PCI, whereas the Director of Central Research Institute is not the member of PCI. Coming to next question, question number 5. The Prevention of Cruelty to Animal Act was enacted in the year. Your options are, option number A 1950, option number B 1955, option number C 1960 and option number D, that is 1965. So you can take your time to think. Correct answer of this question is option number C 1960. Next question, question number 6. Standards of quality for drug are prescribed in. Your options are, first schedule of Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940. Option number B is second schedule of Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940. Option number C is Schedule E of Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940. And option number D is Schedule 2 of Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940. So you can take your time to think. Okay, so correct answer of this question is second schedule of Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940. So let me tell you, first schedule of Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940 states about list of Ayurvedic, Siddha and Unani books. Then schedule E is about list of poisonous substance. However, this is omitted now. Then chapter 2 of Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940 is about Drug Technical Advisory Board, Drug Consultative Committee and Central Drug Laboratory. So correct answer of this question is option number B, that is second schedule of Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940. Moving to next one, question number 7. First schedule of Drug and Cosmetic Act 1940 prescribes. So options are standards of drug and cosmetics, option number B, standards of medical devices, then option number C, list of Ayurvedic, Siddha and Unani books, and option number D, that is biological and special products. So correct answer of this question, you can think for a while. So correct answer of this question is option number C, list of Ayurvedic, Siddha and Unani books. Then moving further, question number 8. Question number 8 is officer under FSSAI is. Your options are A, public analyst, then option number B, drug inspector, option number C, government analyst, and option number 4, that is drug officer. So correct answer of this question, yes. The correct answer of this question is option number C, that is government analyst. Moving further, question number 9, that is chairperson of Drug Technical Advisory Board is. Your options are A, the Drug Controller of India, then option number 2 is Director General of Health Service, option number C is Director of Central Research Institute, and option number D, that is the President of Pharmacy Council of India. So correct answer to this question is option number B, that is Director General of Health Service is the Chairman of Drug Technical Advisory Board. Then last question of this video, that is which of the following is a psychotropic substance under Narcotic Drug and Psychotropic Substance Act? And your options are option number A, that is albendazole, which act as antiparasitic, then option number B, that is ampicillin, which act as antibiotic, option number C is barbital, that belongs to barbiturate, and option number D, that is chloroquine, which is an anti-malarial drug. So you can take your time to think. Correct answer of this question is option number C, that is barbital. Okay, so this is a psychotropic substance under the NDPS Act.